Hello students, welcome back in maths classes. Today's topic is place value, face value and expanded form. As it is the part of chapter first, so I am going to tell you how to solve the questions of exercise 1.1. The chapter is about knowing our numbers. It means in this chapter you will get the idea about number systems. As you know, there are few number systems like natural number system, means natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Okay, so these are the three basic number systems. Then you will get to learn about the real numbers also. So I am going to tell you about place value and face value of a digit that appears in a number. Then you will learn about expanded form of a number. So let's see. Suppose I write a number 5238. As you know, there are 4 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So face value means the face value of a number is, the face value of a digit is same as the digit, means face value of 5 equals 5. What is the meaning of face value? Suppose if you know some person, maybe your friend or a relative, so you know him or her by his face, means आप किसी को फेस के थ्रू जानते हैं. सपोज तो इसी तरह से किसी भी डिजिट के फेस वैल्यू वो खुद होता है, इटसेल्फ होता है. सो द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज 5, फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज 2, फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 इज 3. सो इन दिस वे द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट इज इटसेल्फ. बट देयर इज another concept, place value. Place means the place value is decided according to the place of the digit. So the meaning of place means it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, now to find the place value of 5, we multiply 5 by its place value. As you know, the place value of 5 is 1000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So multiply 5 by 1000 and it is 5000. Similarly, the face value of 2 is 2, but place value is ones, tens, hundreds, so it is 200. Again I tell you, face value of 2 is 2, but place value of 2 is, just write 2 and multiply the digit by its place. What is the place of 2? Ones, tens, hundreds, so the place is 100 and you will get the answer. So you will use this way to find the answers of such type of questions. Okay, this is the concept of place value and face value. Okay, and I am going to solve first question of this exercise. First question is, find the place value of the digit 5 in each of the following. I am going to solve these questions from the textbook of your class. Okay, it is Cordova Step by Step Mathematics class 6 from exercise 1.1. First part of first question, the number is 357286896. Now what is the place value of digit 5? Place value of 5 equals, just see what is the place of 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So the place is lakhs. It means you multiply 5 by 1 lakh and the answer will be, what is the answer? What is this value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So this is 5 lakh. The answer of this question is 5 lakh. Second part, 976 5321. 976 5321. Again we have to focus on 5 as in part first. So what is the place value of 5? You can see the place of 5 is at 1000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So place value of 5 is 5 into 1000, and that is equal to 5000. Again see, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So multiply 5 with 1000, you will get the answer. So in this way you will solve the remaining parts of this question. Pause the video, note it down. Second question, find the product of the place value of two threes in 6435. Okay, so second question is, find the product of the place value of two threes in 6, 4, 3, 5, 3, 7, 8. 6, 4, 3, 5, 3, 7, 8. Okay, see, in this number there are two threes, 1 and 2, and we have to find the product. Product means multiply. So you have to multiply the place value of both the threes. Means you will write place values are, what is the place value of this 3? Ones, tens, hundreds. So it is 300. And what is the place value of this 3? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So we will write 30,000. Okay, and according to question, the product of the place values. So we will find the product, means you will multiply both the numbers and answer will be. Now students, it's very easy to find the answer if you see bigger and bigger numbers including zeros. Okay, don't think so much, just multiply 3 with 3. You have 3 3s are 9 and count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer of this question. So I hope this question is important. Okay. So you can pause the video and note. Again I explain. Product of the place value of two threes. You have to see how many threes are there, 1 and 2. So find the place values in this way and finally find the product. Okay. Now expanded form. As I told you in the beginning of this video, we are going to discuss about face value, place value and expanded form. So question number 4 is, write in expanded form. First part is 42491, 42491. Now in expanded form means not in the word form. आपको word form में नहीं लिखना है, इस तरह से नहीं लिखना आपको 42,491, not in the word form. you have to write in expanded form, okay, using the place value. So just count the digits according to places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 10,000 means we will include these two digits, but we will not take these digits together. As you can see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So just write the 4 and write 4 zeros, because after 4 there are 4 digits, so there will be 4 zeros. Again, what is the place of 2? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It is 2,000. So we will write 2,000. Ones, tens, hundreds. It is 400. Ones, tens. So it is 90. Means ones, tens. So multiply 9 by 10. And finally it is ones. So multiply this by 1. This is the expanded form of this number. Second number is 602732. 602732. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay. So the place of 6 is lakh. Lakh means how many zeros are? There are 5 zeros in lakh. So we will write 6 lakh. Then 0 is nothing, so don't consider 0. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is 2,000. You will write 2,000. This is ones, tens, hundreds, 700. Ones, tens. Tens means 10 3 ja or 3 10 ja. And this is ones. Ones means multiply 2 by 1. You will get 2. This is the expanded form of 6,02,732. Okay students, so I have covered 3 important topics of this exercise. Now I am going to give you the homework, which is based on these questions which I have solved right now. You can pause the video and note. Students, अगर आपको वीडियो में से कुछ भी नोट करना है तो आप वीडियो को पॉज करके नोट कर सकते हैं. प्लीज़ डोंट स्किप द वीडियो. वीडियो का आपको पूरा देखना है, तभी आपको सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से समझ में आएंगी. ओके. This is the homework. First question is, find the place value of 5. Okay. First part is seven nine five two three, and second is 52,380. Second question is find the product of place value of 2 3s in this. Means, as you have seen that in this video I solved this type of question. So find the product of place value of 2 3s, 1 and 2. So you have to consider these 3s and then find the place value and then find the product. So these 2 questions you have to solve in the notebook. Students, be sincere. Okay. Enjoy with your family. Stay healthy, stay good. Do your study honestly, and this also enjoy the learning. Okay.